You ready to go to the market?
Yeah.
Eden, we're nearly there now. Do you want to wake up? So we're running late and Eden's decided to fall asleep. So I've just got to hope that she'll wake up in a happy mood and quickly, because we need to get in and get a buyer's number. Yeah, we need to be quick. We're here now though, aren't we? That's where all the sheep go in those pens. Oh look, there's some geese. And this one here. You gonna pay for our chickens?
Yeah.
And how many did we buy? 2? 1 for you and 1 for...
Hey.
You're gonna have a chicken each, aren't you? And are you having the black one or are you having the speckledy one? Black one. Just showered you in sawdust, didn't it? He's trying to flap out. Oh, it's windy. Well, we only need one box because those chickens both came from the same house, so they can go together. Okay, you gonna hold that for me?
Yeah.
It's very windy.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you. Alright. Careful, because you're gonna take off. Alright. Let's get that to the lady. Can we lift you up? Yes. Chilly around here. You can see them. Good eyesight. Okay. Really quiet. I'm a bit scared of shit. Okay. Can you say hello? Can you straight? Say hello. Go straight. Say your favourite chicken. Now, but that's where they take all the big animals, like the cows, and they go around that ring. We can't go in there, it's all locked. Alright. Jump at this one. We're safe. We're going to go and see if we can get a Christmas wreath for Mummy and see if there's any reindeer there, because it said that there might be some reindeer at the farm. Wow, you going to say hi? Wow. 4, good counting. Very nose.
Oh, take the whole thing, look.
You haven't told Mummy you've got chickens, have you?
Yeah.
What did Mummy say?
Yeah.
She said no chickens? Oh no.
She said, I think they're going to Nanny's house.
Oh, are they going to live at Nanny's house, Eden?
No.
Where are they going to live? Charlie's come to say hello. There you go, there's Where's your one? Do you want to give her a little stroke? Which chicken house are we going to give them? Bit here that the fox can't get into, and then they've got their house in here which we need to clean out. Is that okay? Yeah. It's really heavy though, we need to drag it all the way up. So they're pretty much all set now. Just get some new shavings in here.